Guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Snowman Wreath Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to go like a little bit of a coastal winter version of this one, so I thought I would use the brown rope from Dollar Tree to line the snowman. Now, these snowman wreath forms from the Dollar Tree have two metal rings, and this is definitely the easiest way to cover this. I'm just using hot glue, the brown rope, and going around. I started at the neck so I could kind of end here at the neck, and then I just keep going with that same piece of rope for the second part. As you can see, it fills out the entire shape of the bottom of the snowman. I cut it when I get up here to the neck part, where I can put a scarf on the snowman to kind of cover up where the rope starts and stops. Such an easy way to do it, so much easier than wrapping it with rope, just hot gluing it on there. I use Gorilla Glue, hot glue. I find that it holds up pretty well outside when you're using like a rope or a fabric or something like that. For the head, I do the same thing. I just started at the neck using hot glue, went all the way around, going around a second time for the second ring, and cutting and stopping right here at the neck. Now I do want to kind of burn off the fuzzy, so I just take a lighter, because that Dollar Tree rope can be a little rough sometimes, just to clean it up and make it look a little bit better. Now for the arms itself, I'm again using Dollar Tree rope, but as you can see, I'm using the thinner one for this, and I'm just cutting the pieces down for the little snowman arms and attaching them with hot glue. You could also take some of the jute and wrap that around those. I've done that as well too. This is a little bit easier. I do end up adding a little bit more of a coastal touch to the arms in the end. But this is what I did initially for the first row. And it does kind of look like little sticks, right? Now for the snowman hat, I wanted something like beachy blue since I was going with a coastal winter theme. And Dollar Tree has these great baby blankets and this great soft plush material that you can use to make a hat. So what I did is I cut out enough fabric to cover the top of the hat, and I want it doubled up so you can't necessarily see the metal wreath form through it. And I just cut that down to size. I'm going to leave the stitched edge on there for the top. That'll kind of give it a finished edge. And I just attached that with hot glue as well. I'm going to use that same baby blanket, again using another one of the seams here and doubling it up to make a quick little brim for the top of the hat too. And right here, I'm going to glue it right over the rope and glue it to the wreath form. Really easy way to cover up that hat. Of course, I want my coastal, so my coastal touches are, I added a little sand dollar. That's what I got on Amazon, but you could use the big ones from Dollar Tree as well. Then I decided to add some of these little coral tree Christmas ornaments for the arms to have like little coral arms instead of just the rope. And I just pop off the end with the little ornament hanger was. They're made out of plastic. They're easy enough to break. And attach that with hot glue. And now my snowman has coral arms, which I think is really fun. Now for the scarf, again, I'm using that baby blue blanket from the Dollar Tree. It's a perfect beachy color of blue. And I cut it so that I can still use the seam for one side, but it's easy enough just to attach it with a little hot glue, wrap it around. You can kind of see through the snowman. This is how my snowman wreath turned out. It was so easy to do.